Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to transfer Gmail to Proton Mail, import email and the contacts. So guys, for setting up your Proton, first of all log in your Proton Mail. If you don't have an account, so create one setting, then navigate to the setting and select the option of go to the setting and choose import from the left hand setting menu. After that, preparing your Gmail account for the transfer. So to allow the Proton Mail to access your Gmail securely, you need to generate an app password. So log in into your Google account, go to the security in the left navigation panel, scroll down how you sign in to your Google. Then if prompted, re-enter your Google password from the select app drop down and choose the mail. From the select device drop down menu, choose other, enter the custom name like Proton Mail, copy the 16 character app password display on the screen. Then initializing the email import with Proton Mail. In the Proton Mail, from the import setting, click the option of import mail and calendar and select the option of Google as the email provider. Enter your full email address in the designated field. Paste 16 character Gmail password you generated earlier. Choose which folder or label you wish to import. Click the option of start import. Importing your Google contacts. For this, go to the Google contacts, then click the option of left sidebar, click the option of export. Choose all the contact on this specific group. vCard, click the option of export button to download the vcf file. In the prompt mail, go to the option of contacts from the main menu. Click the option of import contacts and select the downloaded .vcf file and click the option of import to add your contacts. Tips for smooth migration: keep your old email account active for the transition period and inform your important contact about the new mail address. Review your important email and the contacts for accuracy. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.